Hello everyone, I am Nivedita Dhole from final year Civil Engineering Department from Government Polytechnic Washim. As we know, we all are facing a terrible disease known as COVID-19. Due to this virus, whole world is in lockdown state. So is our college. In this condition, our college also took initiative and provided isolation rooms for about 250 people. Due to this severe situation, our faculty is also providing online study materials and assignments for all the students. This will surely find helpful for all of us in the upcoming exams. So, here I am giving short information about our faculty who are trying to complete our curriculum and providing study materials through online platform. First of all, construction management by our HOD Dr. D.K. Gupta sir. He gave us different videos related to our chapters which clear our concepts. He also shared links and notes with all of us related to our topics. This will surely prove beneficial for all of us in the exams. Concrete Technology by Professor S.B. Guge. He shares the audio and video lectures with the students. Information about Capstone project by Professor N.S. Vidyasagar. This is the working model named as the Canal Top Solar Power Generation Project. This project is launched in Gujarat to generate electricity. It was the first ever unique project in India. Based on this, under the guidance of Vidyasagar sir, the final year student has made this project successfully. Contracts and Accounts by Professor A.D. Dhole. He has provided the audio and video lectures on different topics related to this subject. Here is the video. He taught us problems on valuation and also gave us PPT regarding to all chapters of contracts and accounts. Dhole sir also gave us assignments on different chapters which will be helpful to the students. Moral support and motivation regarding online lectures and assignments by Mrs. R.M. Bhangare. She motivates all the students to connect to the online platform. She takes attendance of students who are active in group and whether they are watching the study materials or not. Solid Waste Management by Professor V.S. Joshi. He gave us different videos and notes related to the topics. He also gave us assignments on various topics which helps the students during studies. And regarding to the management subject, he gave information about the app named as Management and told the students to install it. This app helpful the students for solving different MCQs on each topic. Emerging Trends in Civil Engineering by Professor S.S. Bhagat. He gave videos related to the equipments and softwares which is in our syllabus. This study material is helpful for us for solving the MCQs. Entrepreneurship Development by Ms. Sania Sheikh. She gave notes related to the subject. By online platform, she completed our remaining practicals and assignments which reduces the workload of all students. At last, I thank our principal, Dr. V.R. Mankar sir, our HOD, Dr. D.K. Gupta sir, and all the faculty members who gave us all the materials related to our studies assignments in this lockdown situation. All this study material given by online platform will definitely prove beneficial for all the students and they will surely score higher marks in their upcoming examination.